The sleep apnea, which impacts a lot of people these days, either themselves, their spouse, or significant other, a lot of times have snoring issues, and you look at oral appliances to help treat that. But there are many differences out there. You see the ones on TV advertise infomercials 1 in the morning. You got your retail brands, and then you have the professional treatment with a dental professional. So what's the difference between them? Obviously, one that's $20 and one that's obviously professionally done, there's a big difference, but let's talk about it. So to help that, we have Dr. Kamboh here with Lansdowne Dental Associates to can really bring us some insight. So welcome, Dr. Kamboh.
Thanks for having me again, Rob.
No problem. So if you could help us out there, sleep apnea, different appliances, what should people know?
I get asked this question a lot because people always want to try to fix something on their own before they get it done the right way. I have been guilty of that, doing things around the house, trying to fix something on my own, thinking that I know what I'm doing, but it's not always the case. I know, believe it or not. But so patients who ask me that question, they say, hey, doc, I've been snoring, so I ordered this on Amazon, seems to be working. Is it okay? Is it not? So a lot of this happens. I hear this about night guards, and I hear this a lot about oral appliances because we've in our previous discussions we've talked about how common sleep-related breathing issues are these days, how common snoring is in both males and females. So there are a lot of companies that are targeted at getting to those people, and they have infomercials on TV, and they have things for you to order. A lot of those, the issue with those is they are boil and bite. One size fits no one. I mean, I've seen the size of some of these things, and they're big. It kind of reminds me of, every time I see it, it reminds me of Tom Hanks in the movie Big, where he's wearing he's a little kid wearing his dad's suit, whatever. Very large, doesn't do the job, not custom fit whatsoever. There's no way to check the measurements. There's no way to check your advancement. And there's no way to figure out if it's actually doing what it's supposed to be doing. Whenever you get something done in the professional setting, not only is the fit better, it'll be more comfortable, it is lower profile, and it can be adjusted to 1/4 of a millimeter, those level of increments, so we get you to be exactly where you need to be. Not too far, not too short. Make sure the porridge is just right. You can be in the right setting for you to take away your apnea. So good question. I hear this a lot, but there are certain things that you don't want to take into your own hands and treat on your own. You leave it to the professionals.
So it sounds like the sound advice is to think twice before buying that $20 appliance you see on TV at 1:30 in the morning.
Yes, sir.
All right. So insightful when folks are looking for different options. You get what you paid for. So Dr. Kamboh, appreciate your insight. Thanks for your time.
Thanks, Rob.